I have no money.
Oh, that's tough. Need some help?
Thank you for understanding.
Of course, anytime. We're here for you.
I appreciate your help.
No problem, that's what friends are for.
I have to say something.
Okay, I'm all ears. What's on your mind?
I can't live without you.
You're a big part of my life too, Alex.
I lost my money.
Oh no, that's rough. Where did you last have it?
I'm not feeling well today.
Oh no, do you need anything? I can bring you some soup.
I have a headache.
Do you need some aspirin?
Thanks, but I'll be okay. Just need some rest.
All right, take it easy and let me know if you need anything.
I invited him to tea.
Nice. Did he say he'll come?
Wake up, you are late.
Oh shoot, I'll get moving. Thanks for waking me.
I miss your laugh.
Aw, thanks. You always know how to make me smile.
I'm not married.
Me neither, still waiting for the right one.
I should learn 5 languages.
Wow, that's impressive. Which ones are you thinking of learning?
How old does he look?
I'd say maybe late 20s.
Please give me your hand.
Sure thing. What's up?
This is not a joke.
I understand. I take it seriously.
He is still not well.
I hope he feels better soon.
Stop crying.
It's okay, everything will be fine.
Come quickly.
On my way.
What's new?
Not much, just the usual. How about you?
I have a lot to talk about.
I'm all ears. What's been going on?
I'm single.
Me too, we should go out sometime.
It's none of your business.
Got it, I won't pry.
I want to buy a new house.
Exciting! Have you found any good ones yet?
I must go.
Okay, take care. See you soon.
You are patient.
Thanks, I try to be understanding.
Don't be lazy.
All right, all right. I'll get moving.
Speak what is true.
Always. Honesty is the best policy.
I know nothing.
It's okay, we all start somewhere. What do you want to learn?
I can't forget you.
Aw, that's sweet. You're pretty unforgettable too.
Dreams come true.
They sure do, especially if you work hard for them.
I want to help my parents.
That's really noble of you. What can we do to help?
Give me one chance.
Sure thing. What do you need a chance for?
It's all because of you.
Hey, what did I do? Let's talk about it.
That's enough.
Okay, I'll stop now.
Well done. Keep it up.
Thanks. I appreciate the support.
Who will make tea for me?
I'll make some for you. Milk and sugar?
Why didn't he tell me?
Maybe he had his reasons. Have you tried asking him?
The time has come.
Yes, it's time to take action.
Oh, I am sorry. I have got a bit late.
No worries, you made it. That's what counts.
She abused me.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
Give me a day.
Of course, take your time. What do you need a day for?
Thank you for inviting us.
You're welcome. We're glad to be here.
I don't know telling a lie.
Honesty is the best policy, right?
Do you have some money?
Sorry, I'm a bit tight on cash right now.
You are my responsibility.
I'll take care of it, don't worry.
Please say something.
Sure, what's on your mind?
I will come again.
Looking forward to it. Just let me know when.
I'm on my way.
Great, see you soon.
This is not a joke.
I understand, I'm taking it seriously.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
No problem, it happens.
I don't like tall talks.
I prefer straightforward conversations too.
Do as I say.
All right, I'll follow your instructions.
I'll pay.
No, let me cover this one.
You're the light of my life.
That's so sweet of you to say.
I'll take it.
Great, it's yours then.
I don't want to bother you.
You're not bothering me at all.
Everyone knows it.
Yeah, it's pretty common knowledge.
What is your problem?
I'm just feeling a bit stressed, that's all.
I like fairly hot tea.
Got it, I'll make it just the way you like.
How much money do they make a year?
I'm not sure, it varies depending on the job.
How much money do you have?
Enough to get by, thankfully.
She has no money.
That's tough. I hope things get better for her.
Go if you can.
I'll try my best.
He looks rather nervous.
Maybe we should talk to him and see what's wrong.
I'm really sorry for being late.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. Let's just enjoy our time together.
I'm so excited for the weekend.
Me too. Any plans?
Not yet, but I'm sure we'll come up with something fun.
Definitely, we always do.
I can't believe it's already May.
I know, time flies. Summer will be here before we know it.
I'm dreading Monday already.
I hear you. Let's make the most of the weekend then.
I got a promotion at work.
Congratulations. That's amazing news.
Thanks, I'm really happy about it.
You deserve it. You've been working so hard.
I'm thinking of starting a new hobby.
That's a great idea. What are you thinking?
Maybe photography or painting. Something creative.
Sounds like fun. Let me know if you need any tips.
I'm trying to eat healthier.
Good for you. It's not easy, but you'll feel better.
Yeah, I hope so. I'm tired of feeling sluggish.
You got this. I'll help keep you motivated.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem, we're in this together.
I'm really grateful for our friendship.
Likewise. You're like family to me.
Ah, that means a lot.
All right, enough mushy stuff. Let's go grab some food.
I'm really nervous about my presentation tomorrow.
You'll do great, Alex. Just practice and take some deep breaths.
I hope so. I just want it to go smoothly.
I believe in you. You've prepared well. Trust yourself.
Thanks, Jane. Your confidence means a lot to me.
Anytime, buddy. We're in this together.
I can't believe how fast time flies when we're together.
I know, right? It's like the hours just melt away.
I always have such a good time with you.
Likewise. You're one of my favorite people to hang out with.
Ah, shucks. Right back at you.
All right, enough sentimental talk. Let's go have some fun.
Agreed. Adventure awaits.
Let's make some memories. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!